Welcome to YouNeedGadget. The internet is full of useless gadgets. I look for the ones that actually make life better. Cleaning your car, washing outdoor furniture, or taking care of your garden doesn't always require a bulky pressure washer. This compact cordless pressure washer is designed to make outdoor cleaning much easier. Its 6-in-1 design comes with different spray attachments, allowing you to change the water stream depending on what you're cleaning. You can use it to wash your car, rinse bicycles, clean patios, outdoor furniture, tools, and even water your plants. It draws water from a bucket or another water source, so you don't necessarily need a traditional garden hose nearby. The portable design also makes it much easier to carry around and use wherever you need it. If you have a car, a garden, or simply like keeping your outdoor space clean, this could be a really useful gadget to have around. I definitely keep one for washing my car and handling those quick outdoor cleaning jobs. Link in the description.